welcome back to your channel. So on today's video we are going to move on to Leo sign. So today is Leo rising. So let's get right into the video. The tendency to seek attention is common with natives born in Leo ascendant. There is a regal air and radiant charisma on that bike. About their personalities that others find magnetic, they pay a lot of attention to their looks and how they dress up, which is also sometimes the reason why they get noticed, but it is also because of their cheerfulness and their sunny charm that fills the air with ease and joy. People born with Leo ascendant are quite conscious about themselves. How they come across to others is very important to them. They are conscious of the image they project to the world out there. They keep in mind to create an image in all their efforts through the people they hang out with, places, the often wise or brands. They take life as a stage where they always have to make an impression and look and feel good. This is why they are ambitious and tend to give their best shot to anything they indulge in. This celeb-like dramatic personality also comes the temper tantrums and emotional outbursts, tighten to be impulsive with the decisions and money. They are very optimistic and driven, so usually to find solution to problems that they get themselves into. They are consistently interested in who is up to what in their social circle. It is sometimes overbearing, which leads them to a sense of domination, also because they seek to lead like a lion, which is their mascot. They want to the sole ruler of this jungle. When this domination is under control, they just simply come off as overprotective people. Leo and their dramatic approach to life, they usually get too much excited, come up across new opportunities and tasks. They tend to be overly optimistic. At times, Leo can do wonders in the field of marketing and promotion. They just know how to make something look and sound good. They are like walking advertorials. Their dramatic approach to their life sometimes keep them away from the reality. They tend to get caught up in the drama and they become blind to what is real. Their natives, nonetheless, are the most cheerful, easygoing and fun people on the planet. They shown their love upon those who make them feel admired and important. They can be great leaders no matter what their age is. They tend to be childlike in nature. In fact, they are very generous and giving to others. Their physical stature is also lion-like, strong and strong. They want to and tend to youthful forever. Appearances matter to them, but sometimes this tendency makes them fall for the wrong people in the life. So if you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, stay at home, wear a mask, and I'll see you people in the other video. Solo.